Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find the list of people you've blocked on Facebook. This is really simple, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top or bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is called the menu icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down through the menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. From there, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Blocking. Tap on Blocking, and you'll see the list of people you've blocked. That's it. This is how you can check your blocked list on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.